Hello, I'm Bisola Widlin. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome on board, and if not, I am very happy to see you as always. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this round shaped autogele, which is quite different from the one that we did before, which was V shape. I'm also going to be showing you how to embellish your gele. I'm not exactly sure why I'm doing that, but let's get right into this and I'll see you at the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. The first thing you want to do is cut out a piece of rectangle as always that measures 20 inches wide and 28 inches long, and you want to fold it at the top and the bottom and the sides just like I did. And the next thing that you want to start to do is creating your pleats. You can create as much pleats as you want or as few pleats as you like. That's entirely up to you, and you can just do whatever you like at this point. You may want to secure it with pins just so they're not moving on you and that everything just stays in place. So I think I stick with about 6 to 7 pleats in my case right here, but like I said, you can do whatever you like. And the next thing you want to do is take it to the sewing machine and stitch each pleat down. You want to sew each pleat down, making sure that the pleat is going to cover the stitch line. You don't want the stitch line to be visible. It should never be visible, and this is what you should have once you have done that. And this is for the strap. You want to take one of them, making sure that the right side is facing towards you and the right side of your gele is also facing towards you, and create a sandwich just as you see me do and sew it right there and flip it out or secure it with pins if you like. And this is what you should have once you have sewn it down. And what you want to do now is cut out about 4 inches at an angle just so it's easier for you to tie when it's on your head, and that's exactly what I'm doing. And what you want to do next is turn it to the wrong side again, and you want to sew it down there, but you're not sewing it completely close because you have to turn it over to the right side again. And once you've done that, this is what you should have. And of course you want to repeat the same thing at the other side. So you will remember this from the one that we did before, the top part of the gele. You may have to see the previous video if you don't understand how to do that. It's actually quite really easy. Once you've done that, you just want to attach the top part of your gele to the bottom part of your gele, and you are pretty much done with it, and you can now smile. And you may actually want to try it on. So let's do this. You want to put it over your head and just tie it behind you as you see me do. Just tie it one time and then another time, and yeah, push it back if you want to. And then you want to tie the top part of the gele just like you tied the bottom part of the gele one time and then again just to secure it. And you're almost done with that. You just want to arrange it as you like, push it back if you like, and now you can take a lot of pictures, smile at the camera, attend that wedding, pretty much do whatever you like. So embellishing our gele, you need your glue, and what you want to do is open it up and apply tiny drops onto your fabric just where you want your embellishments to be. Whatever form of embellishment you're using, could be flat beads or stones or anything. And you have to do this little dance that I'm doing with my hand, and this is just to make sure that excess glue is not going to create a mess on your fabric. You really don't want that. And once you're done with that, you have to wait for some time, and that is me waiting for about 3 to 6 minutes. Otherwise it's not just going to do anything for you. And once your waiting time is over, you just want to pick up your stone or embellishment and place it right on top of the glue and push it down, applying pressure. And that is all that there is to it, really. And then you just keep doing that, and you just keep doing that, and you just keep doing that until you are done with all of your embellishments. Or if you're having doubts about putting the glue directly on your fabric, you can apply the glue directly on your embellishment. And I suggest that you apply the glue onto a couple, about 5 to 8 or even 10, and you wait for some time again, and then you place it directly on your fabric. wherever you want it to be. And that's it. This is me thinking I should be wearing my earrings here, really, but I couldn't exactly decide what earring I should wear. So you choose. I love both anyway. So thank you so much for watching. This is all that there is. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. And if you found this video helpful, do let me know in the comment. And also tell me, would you rather wear the round shaped gele or would you do the V shaped gele? So you let me know. I can't wait to see what your personal preference is. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. And I will see you in time for another video. You stay safe. Bye.